Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily DIY Dude channel, where we do DIY dude stuff on a daily. Today is 4th of July weekend, and I'm just gonna make a quick mowing video. I know y'all like my Cujo Skag edition. Actually, to be totally honest with you, I'm not a big fan of the Cujo shoes. They, unless they got wide sizes, I'm not sure, but these are my size shoes, but they're real narrow, but the things are so daggone expensive, 130 bucks, that I'm just gonna wear them. But when I do get done mowing, my feet are, outsides of them are all red, but anyways, they're still cool. I'll tell you right now, if you guys don't own one of these no spill gas containers, you're missing out. I'll show you how easy this is to fill this thing up. This thing's full of gas. I can literally tip it, nothing comes out until you squeeze a little trigger on top, and when you let this trigger go, she stops it immediately. I swear by this gas can. I mean, it don't spill anything. That's what they call the FREEDOM Mow. Boy, that striping kid will work you. She will work you, brother. Not too bad for July 1st. Let's take a gander at this front. Daggone dog got me. Neighborhood dog. But this is the front. This is GCI Cool Blue. Oh man, Pink Denny's seed. That's pretty good. Let's come back here and hit this back real quick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and stripe her on up. See what she's looking like when I turn around here. She's warm out here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Them crooked stripes, mate. Boy, I've been drinking on the job. Good Lord. Let me see if I can redeem myself. Spots you see down there, there's 4 of them. Those are where I had Poa trivialis. I dug them up, planted some seeds that just hadn't grown in quite yet, so That's what those spots are. Whew. Good Lord. All right, guys, so as you can see, like I said, it's July 1st, and as you can see, with good cultural practices, following a good program, just being diligent with everything and keeping an eye on everything, you can achieve a nice lawn. I'm just a Joe homeowner, just like everybody else that's probably watching this, and I know if I can do it, you guys can do it. And it's a good standard turf. I mean, you can see how green it is in dead middle of the summer. And just like everywhere else in the world, we've had no rain hardly. So deep watering 2 to 3 times a week, following the good lawn care program, and that's it. Just want to thank you guys for stopping by the channel. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and think about liking, subscribing, and maybe telling a few buddies if you like lawn care. I'll be posting a few more videos like this. Thank you guys for stopping by.